to Casey's YouTube world. We're going to show you how to ride a hoverboard. They're really hard when you first start. So first, we're going to be practicing getting on and off. The first step is to, when you get on, sit on something or just hold on to something or a parent or a friend if you have one. Yeah. And then step on, and then getting off, you could also sit down, but I do it by stepping backwards. Stepping on can be tricky because you gotta get your feet in the right spot. First, we're gonna be learning how to go forward. Tilt your body a little bit forward, and then you'll go forward. And then we're gonna learn how to turn. So you know how to go forward, maybe. Keep practicing it if you don't know how yet. And then if you want to turn, you just tilt your body like this to the way you want it to turn. And second, we go in circles. So we could go like forward, turn, and then circles. Or we could just go in a circle, go in any direction. Second, we're going to be going backwards. It's pretty tricky, so you can do this at the end of the video. So you just lean back a little bit, and then that. And then now we're going to be learning how to go over bumps. Bumps can be tricky, and so this is the bump I'll be going over. So we just go over it, and it might be tricky on your first time. So you just gotta go over it. When you get used to it, just speed over it. Then you won't even feel it. Now we're gonna be doing courses. So courses are like, you just set up things around, and so I'll show you what it looks like. You can get off the hoverboard and set it up. Either way you can do it, because you can also be on it running to it. So I just set things somewhere and go around you like this. So we could do this. And after, so now I'm going to be going around the red obstacle, and then you could do that, and then around here, and then you could also turn around and then sit down. If you have any questions, you could comment. Then we could tell you what the question is for any video. Thanks for coming into Casey's YouTube world. Bye!